In this video, you will find 9 major challenges and their solutions on wastewater works in Japan. The first challenge is the flood control in urban areas. These photographs show recent typical damages by urban floods. Underground facilities are easily damaged by floods, such as subway stations and underground shopping malls. Due to the increase in extreme weather events and in urban concentration, the magnitude of flood damage is rising. Comprehensive measures are now being pursued to help the situation. They are a combination of structural, non-structural, and self-help measures. Structural measures include improvement of storm sewers, construction of storage, and infiltration facilities. Non-structural measures as examples are real-time flood forecast and flood maps for citizens. They work well with the self-help measures. They include voluntary evacuation and self-sandbagging around private properties. The second challenge is the increase of earthquake resilience. Japan is prone to strong earthquakes. Once wastewater systems are damaged, the impact can be severe. For example, damaged sewer system causes wastewater spill. It runs into residential areas or public water bodies. The situation poses serious threats to public health and sanitation. Also, broken sewer makes flush toilets unusable. This leads to severe impact on the health of survivors. Liquefaction is a common phenomenon after the quake. Manholes protrude on the road surfaces. This results in severe disruption to road traffic. Emergency vehicles are affected right after the quake. For all these reasons, wastewater systems need to be earthquake-proof. The national government is implementing 2 measures to achieve this. Firstly, it provides wastewater utilities with subsidies to fund the quake-proofing works. Secondly, it suggests each utility to make a Business Continuity Plan (BCP). It is designed to ensure quick restoration of essential functions of wastewater service. The third challenge is implementation of asset management. A total of 460,000 kilometers of sewers and 2,200 treatment plants have been built. Those huge assets continue to age. The failure of aged facilities will pose a serious problem soon, if unaddressed. There are already around 4,000 sinkholes per year from failed sewers. These photographs are the examples in the downtown of Tokyo. To improve this situation, the next 3 points are emphasized. First is preventive maintenance. Second is condition assessment. Third is renovations based on long-term planning. In relation to the preventive maintenance, in 2015, the sewerage law was amended to ensure proper sewer management. The fourth challenge is eutrophication in stagnant coastal and freshwater bodies. The water quality in public waters have steadily improved in rivers or running waters. But there still remains the problems of eutrophication in stagnant waters. The pollutions are observed in the bays that Tokyo, Nagoya, and Osaka face. Lake Biwa and Lake Kasumagura, the 2 biggest freshwater lakes, are also eutrophicated. These pictures show the consequences of eutrophication: the red tide, blue tide, and water bloom. They severely impact fisheries, ecosystems, and scenic beauty. To help the eutrophication, nutrient removal is necessary at treatment plants. But the implementation is slow, particularly in the watershed of Tokyo Bay. To expedite the solution, the national government has recommended the 2 measures. Firstly, phased introduction of nutrient removal processes. Secondly, joint actions with other concerned offices. This slide shows an example of phased introduction for nitrogen removal process. It makes minor modifications to an existing conventional activated sludge system. As a tentative treatment method, it utilizes the extra capacity of existing facilities with minor upgrades. The second solution is a cooperation with the related government offices. Alleviating eutrophication needs to involve not only wastewater operators, but authority of other dischargers on point and non-point sources. Especially, for the control of non-point sources, the involvement of the government offices of agriculture and forestry is essential. The fifth challenge is restoring waterfront. Over the decades, waterfront in urban areas have diminished. The main reason is the loss or reduction of running water from urbanization. The decreasing pervious area, conversion of urban streams into culverts, and climate change in recent years are responsible. To revive waterfront, 3 solutions are implemented to increase the flow of streams. First, the use of treated wastewater. Second, rainwater utilization after storage and infiltration. Third, revival and creation of waterfront with civic participation. Partnership with citizens from planning to operation and maintenance produce good results. The sixth challenge is the improvement of combined sewer system. The combined sewer system is designed to convey sanitary wastewater and storm water in the same pipeline. It makes overflow of untreated wastewater when receiving heavy rainfalls. It has been used as a low-cost solution in urban areas. It serves approximately 25% of the population. But it needs improvement for protection of public health and clean water environment. In 2001, fog balls drifted ashore at the Odaiba Marine Park, caught public attention. It is a very popular leisure spot in Tokyo. It was revealed that they came from combined sewers by the media. It resulted in a major social controversy. Since then, serious efforts have been made to improve the systems all over the country. The improvement of combined sewer systems has 3 policy goals. First, reduction of pollutant load. The total pollutant load from a combined sewer system shall be equal or less than a separate sewer system, in assumption for the same sewer district. Second, public health protection. The number of overflow events of untreated wastewater shall be cut by half. Third, elimination of gross solid discharge. Gross solids shall not be released to public waters from combined sewer systems. In 2003, sewerage law was amended to make the policy goals mandatory by specified deadlines. The deadline for small and medium-sized municipalities were set at 2013. For large municipalities, it was set at 2023. Up to now, 169 out of 170 small and medium-sized municipalities have completed their requirements. 2 out of 21 large municipalities have also completed improvements. The 7th challenge is expansion of service. Currently there are still around 14 million people waiting for access to wastewater treatment services. In these areas, untreated greywater is discharged directly to the environment. It is an urgent task to deliver wastewater service to these areas. To expedite the expansion of wastewater services, the 3 solutions are ongoing. First, implementation of low-cost solutions, named Quick Project, being applied intensively. Second, investigation of new procurement methods, such as private finance initiatives (FI), to construct and manage sewer systems. Third, revision of local master plan of wastewater services. The services switch to on-site systems from originally planned centralized systems in depopulated areas. The eighth challenge is enhancement of living environment using wastewater asset. Such examples are use of flood control pond as recreational waterfront, utilization of above space of treatment plant as playground, use of wastewater facilities to dispose collected snow, installation of optical fiber cable and sewer line. The photographs show a constructed playground on the treatment facility in Tokyo. In total, 369 treatment plants opened there above space for the public use in Japan. The last but not least challenge is the transformation of wastewater service into recycling. The focus is shifting from the traditional public health and water environment to recycle. Wastewater systems collects resources through the sewer networks. They generate clean water, energy, fertilizer, phosphorus and construction materials. This slide shows the examples of sludge recycle as construction material and transportation fuel. Wastewater Works in Japan is trying to deliver best service to customers while facing the 9 challenges. We continue to work for sustainable society thorough wastewater service. Thank you for watching this video. It was presented by Japan Sewage Works Association.